Hello, my lovely kids. How are you all? I hope you all are fit and fine. I, Zana Patel, welcome you all in today's session. As we are going for a short break, we are giving you revision worksheets for your practice. So, now I will explain them to you. Here is the worksheet of English. In this worksheet, you will circle the correct alphabet. So, for example, first picture is of an egg. Now, let us identify the alphabet written below. B, E, A. So, kids, tell me, B as in egg, E as in egg, A as in egg. So, what is the correct answer? The correct answer is E as in egg. So, you will circle around alphabet E. Here is the second worksheet of English. In this worksheet, you have to draw as per the alphabet. Now, let us identify the alphabet written in the worksheet. B, E, A, D, C. Now kids, you can tell your mama to write this alphabet on a paper and you can draw B as in ball and complete the whole worksheet. Now kids, tell me, what do you see in this general awareness worksheet? Yes, you see there are many animals in this worksheet. So what you will do? You will circle the wild animals and tick the farm animals. So now let us see the picture of first animal. Now tell me, which animal is this? This is a tiger. So now kids, tell me, tiger is a wild animal or a farm animal? Yes, tiger is a wild animal. So what you will do? You will make a circle around the tiger. Now this is the picture of a horse. So tell me kids, horse is a wild animal or a farm animal? Yes, you are right. Horse is a farm animal. So we will tick the horse. In this general awareness worksheet, you will tick the vegetables and cross the fruits. So now let us see the first picture. The first picture is of a capsicum. So kids, tell me, capsicum is a vegetable or a fruit? Yes, you are right. Capsicum is a vegetable. So we will make a tick on the capsicum. Now the second picture is of a red cherry. So kids, tell me, cherry is a vegetable or a fruit? Yes, cherry is a fruit. So we will make a cross on the cherry. And kids, like this you will identify each and every picture and complete the whole worksheet. Now I will explain you the worksheet of general awareness. In this worksheet, you will match the parts of the body. So now first body part on this side is of eyes. So you will match eyes with boy's eyes, and on the other side this body part is of ears. So you will match ears with boy's ear. Like this, you will complete the remaining worksheet. बच्चों, यहाँ पर है हिंदी की वर्कशीट। ये वर्कशीट में आपको सही स्वर पर गोला बनाना है। तो चलिए हम पहले चित्र को पहचानते हैं। पहला चित्र है अनार का चित्र और अब नीचे गए हुए स्वर को पढ़ते हैं। ई, अ और आ। तो बच्चों मुझे बताओ, ई से अनार होता है? नहीं। अ से अनार होता है? हाँ। तो हम यहाँ दिए गए हुए अ पर क्या करेंगे? गोला बनाएंगे, क्योंकि अ है सही स्वर। इस तरह से हम बाकी के दो चित्रों को भी पूरा करेंगे।
अब नीचे क्या करना है आपको पता है? नीचे हमें स्वर के अनुसार चित्र बनाने हैं। तो सबसे पहला स्वर है अ। तो आप क्या करोगे बच्चों? आप अ से कौन सा चित्र बनाओगे? आप बनाओगे अ से अनार। और इस तरह यहाँ पर दूसरा स्वर है ई। तो ई से आपको क्या अच्छा लगता है? खट्टी खट्टी इमली। तो क्या बनाएंगे आप यहाँ पर? ई से इमली। Now here is the worksheet of maths. In this worksheet you will match the shapes to its object, right? So on this side there are different shapes and on the other side there are objects related to that shapes, right? So the first picture is of which shape? Can you tell me? Yes, it is a square. So kids, we will match the square shape with the square objects. So can you tell me which is the objects that is square in shape? Yes, the gift box. So we will match the square shape with the square object, and that is a gift box. And like this you will complete the whole worksheet. Here is the second worksheet of maths. There are two different exercises in this worksheet. So I will explain you the first exercise. In this exercise, you will draw blue circle around the wet child and green circle around the dry child. So let us see the first picture. In this first picture, the girl is swimming in water. So kids, tell me, is this girl wet or dry as she is swimming in water? Yes, you are right. The girl is wet. So what you will do? You will take your blue crayon and you will draw a circle around the girl. And now let us see the second picture. In the second picture, what do you see? The boy is playing with his ball. So is this boy wet or dry? The boy is dry. So what you will do? You will take your green crayon and draw a circle around the boy as he is dry. Now let us see the second exercise. In this exercise, you will tick the full object and cross the empty object. So there are two glasses over here. So tell me, what do you see in this glass? The glass is full of water. So what you will do? You will make a tick below the glass. And the second glass, is it having any water in it? No. So the second glass is empty. So what you will do? You will make a cross and you will complete the two images given below as shown above.
So kids, keep practicing, stay safe and see you soon. Bye.